Imagine a performance review system that's structured, objective, and supportive. That's greytHR's PMS reviews. But it's not just admins who benefit. Managers will love the tools they get to conduct thorough evaluations for team members with clear, actionable feedback. Track team members who have completed, started, and not started reviews. Let's see how. Once the review cycle is activated, an employee can start the assessment on the greytHR ESS portal. Navigate to Performance, click Reviews. Select the assessment card and then click Start Assessment. Read the guidelines. Then click Next. You can revisit the guidelines by clicking the View Guidelines button. Add a rating and comment to rate the assessment. Similarly, rate and comment the other questions. Here, you can view the status of the overall ratings of the categories. Click Save and Next. The rating summary form will display for evaluating the ratings. You can also edit the ratings by clicking this icon. Click Submit, and then Confirm. Please note, once the rating is submitted, you cannot edit it. Once the employee assessment is done, the assessment window will open to the managers. As a manager, you must perform the assessment by navigating to the greytHR ESS portal. Click Performance and then Reviews. Under the Team Reviews page, you can assess your team assessment by selecting a name from here. Select the assessment card. Click Start Assessment. Then click Next. Add a rating and comment here. Similarly, rate and comment the other questions. Click Save and Next. Click Submit, and then Confirm. From here, you can view the reviewer who assessed, the start date, the due date, and the assessment status. Using this button, you can view the status and progress of the assessment. After the assessment is completed by all assessors, the assessment record moves to the admin who finally approves and publishes the review cycle. You can also quickly perform your assessment from the homepage wizard, complete a self-assessment, and your team assessment. That's all. Try Performance Review in greytHR PMS. Don't just take our word for it. Click the link to start your free trial and see the difference for yourself. Or contact our support team today to take the first step towards a more productive and engaged workforce.